Hey, what's going on, everybody? Carter here, put another episode out on the channel. I'm excited about this one today. I'm in Half Moon Bay aboard the Ankeny Street. You've seen in the past couple videos I went for halibut in the bay, and then I went for salmon out of the Golden Gate Bridge, and this time I'm bottom fishing, rock fishing lingcod. It's kind of a late start. It's about 8 o'clock, and we're the first ones here. So this boat, the Ankeny Street, is going to be departing a little bit later, which is cool. There's the burlap sacks. Let's do this. This is some of the bait we're starting out with. It's just squid, pieces of squid. Alright, we've left the harbor. We're in the ocean now. I heard this is going to be a short run, which is good. Because, you know, in the last episode I got seasick, so I'm trying to avoid that. I got one on, I think.
Yeah, I seen it full dead.
There we go.
Little bitty squirt.
Kind of like that one you caught, Steve. It's pretty much the same.
Yeah. Hey, but yours looks to be a lot more lively. Is he bloated up?
Let's see. A little bit.
Well, give him a try. See if he'll recover. We're
Just
gonna get plenty
toss
of
him
work.
back.
Yeah. See if it looks like he's gonna go down. Yeah. Sometimes that swim.
Yeah, look at that. He went right back down.
Are you right on the bottom with it, Carter?
There we go. I'm just letting it sit. These things are clones, man. I gotta throw that back? Yeah, okay. First keeper.
Nice.
Yeah. I'll take that one.
That's a pretty one.
For a million rockfish. Thank you, them.
No, hold on. I saw it.
Another squid.
I saw it.
What you got, a red? Brownie?
Vermilion.
Oh, decent one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's in the bag.
What's up with that blue?
No, he lost.
What? She floated from there.
Oh shit. No, yeah, what's up? No, the. Damn it.
Oh, that thing's belly up.
No, my light.
Where'd that thing come from?
Fell off.
Easy. Oh, no.
Ooh, mama. Look at that one. I'm just letting it sit on the bottom.
Oh, nice one. No, just leave it.
Okay.
Happy, just leave it.
I'm gonna get back down there, okay?
Leave it, just go down here. Okay, tell your grandpa coming, okay? Go, tell your, yeah.
There he goes.
Grandpa coming.
It's because you gave him the shake, man. That's good. What do we got this time? Another gopher or a china.
We were on one boat.
What do we have this time?
Actually, no.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's a canary? What is it?
No, where? No good.
No good?
No, send your home.
Ah.
Your home.
My home, yeah. I was about to say that's a fish taco. Yeah, just pulled this one up.
Nice one. We got a couple like
Get it,
that.
Good looking one.
Nice picture of that baby.
Yeah.
Hold it up.
I got some variation, man.
Yeah, boy, you've got one of everything.
Yeah.
There you go. 1, 2, and 3. Somewhat of a smile. 2, 3.
That's the biggest one we've seen so far.
It's the first puff of a cigarette. It's gonna bring you down. Blow and smoke till you're out of breath. 6 feet of ground. Right down the
Did you get those on the
interstate.
shrimp flies?
It's time to turn around. Wreaking havoc in every way. No accident this time. No accident this time.
Oh, there we go. That's cool.
About changing lanes. Time is gone, finally saber out.
Thank you.
Feel no shame. Time is gone, finally saber.
I'm into the grocery bag, right?
From the first class of an imager, feeling safe and sound, flying high enough to kiss the sky, never come back down. Sirens screaming down the freeway, there's trouble coming round. The accident the driver will regret, no one else survived, and no one else survived. But about changing lanes. Time has come, finally sabered out. About feel no shame. Time has come, and finally sabered out. About generate. Time has come, and finally sabered out. About losing faith. Time to break down. It's time to break down. Time to break down. So you take your money, take it to the bank, deposit with your lies. Sell your stock of human race, and it won the battle.
Take some live action shots.
Jury stands and the judges say, is the justice
Here.
found?
Steve, show me the link
The
card.
lawyer's life is the verdict's read. No accidents time.
A couple of nice
No accident this time. But out about changing lanes. Time has come, we finally sabered out. About
There you go. You can see the coastline. We're over near Half Moon Bay, fishing the reef. It was stacked with rockfish today. No ling caught, but I'm pleased. I had a lot of fun today. It was non-stop action. All I had to do was drop the bait down. Steve hooked it up. He's a you sell bait, right, Steve? You sell lures and stuff. Shout out to Steve. Alright guys, this is what I wound up with. I-10. Re-entering the harbor. Oh wow. Is that feel good? Alright everybody, that's going to be a wrap for today's episode. It was a lot of fun. I caught a ton of fish, and it's really just a matter of reeling them in. They don't put much of a fight up, but they're tasty, so they're going to be eaten, and their lives went for a worthy cause. Anyways, peace out.